Welcome back, dear students. In our last video we have studied about different organs present in the female reproductive system, and again in this video we are going to study same topic in details. In female reproductive system, different organs are present, and which are these different organs and what are their functions, that we are going to study in details. First and very important organ of the female reproductive system is the ovary, and what is the function of this ovary? You can see here, produces egg. Hormones like estrogen and progesterone are produced by the ovary. You can see in female reproductive system there are two ovaries are present. One is on either side, one is on left side and one is on the right side. And what is the important function of the ovary? You can see it is producing female gamete, that is egg, and another name of the egg is ova. And the hormones estrogen and progesterone are produced by the ovary. And what is the function of these hormones? You can see that these hormones are responsible for the characters of femaleness, whatever the characters which makes difference between male and female. For that, estrogen and progesterone hormones are responsible for the femaleness characters. These are responsible for the producing secondary characteristics female body. And after ovary, you can see that next organ which is present in the female reproductive system, that is a fallopian tube. You can see there are two fallopian tubes present on the one on either side. You can see one is on the left side and one is on the right side. And what is the important function of this fallopian tube? You can see in detail. It is a passage for egg from the ovary to the uterus and provide the site for the fertilization by the sperm. So you can see whatever the female gametes are produced by the ovary, these gametes then transferred to the fallopian tube, and this is the site for the fertilization, where the process of fertilization takes place, where male and female gamete mix together, they fuse together and zygote is formed. So this is the site for the fertilization. This is the important part of this is the site for the fertilization. You can see it is a passage for egg from the ovary to the uterus and provide the site for the fertilization by the sperm. So you can now understand this fallopian tube is the pathway from where female gamete will transfer to the uterus. Before reaching to the uterus, fertilization will take place, and after fertilization zygote will form. After that, this zygote will reach to the uterus. Next important part of the female reproductive system is that uterus, and you can see at the middle of the female reproductive system, red color portion, you can see this is the uterus. And what is the important function of the uterus? Fertilized egg implanted and grows into the fetus during the pregnancy. So after fertilization, zygote is formed. This zygote is laterally enter into the uterus, and which after that formation of zygote, it will divide multiple times, and from zygote embryo will form. That embryo will implant into the uterus, and here growth of the newborn young one will takes place. So this is the site where new young one will grow inside the female reproductive system. After uterus, you can see cervix is the another important organ of the female reproductive system. It serves as the pathway for sperms to enter the uterus. So this is the opening of the uterus which is helping to enter sperms inside the female reproductive system. From this cervix, sperms are entering into the uterus. From uterus, it will reach to the fallopian tube, and here fertilization will take place. And last important organ of the female reproductive system is the vagina. You can see what is the important function of the vagina. It receives the penis during sexual reproduction, forms the birth canal, stretches during the delivery of the baby. So this is the opening of the female reproductive system, and from this vagina only male gamete will enter inside the female reproductive system, and this is the same pathway for the birth of the baby. So in this way you can see different organs are present in the female reproductive system, that is ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix and vagina. Thank you.